Hey guys, it's your homeboy, the one only Great Dane, back with Fortnite. So today I just want to make a quick video on how to make a mummy skin in Fortnite. So as said in the title, there's I'm gonna leave a link to Kevinsmak's channel on the race wrap and how to get that. So that's the inspiration for this skin, as well as the race skin itself. So the gas can is still disabled, I guess. Okay, so link in the iCard to Kevinsmak's channel because he has a video on the code that you can redeem at the Epic site to get the race wrap for free. So if you guys didn't know, it was based on going into creative game modes to find the code, so someone already did, and if you just go to his video, which is again will be in the iCard, you can easily just watch it, see the code, and then redeem it, and then you have it. So the reason for making the skin is there just isn't very many skins that really go with this wrap other than wraiths, so using the hunter skin I decided to make my own mummy skin. So I think this is a fairly decent one. So using the hunter, I went with stalwart, or wart, the full mask. Eye mask doesn't really matter. Also, I don't know if there's error here, but it says eye mass. I don't know if that changed recently or if that's just my game being weird. Anyway, so I went with turquoise and white as the colors, and I have spandex and cloth because that gives you the widest white and the closest looking blue color you can get. I don't think you want to go with the lightest blue here. So let me just pull up Wraith so you guys understand. So for some reason this is the only color I could really get. So it is a turquoise blue, but it's a darker blue, not a light turquoise. And for you guys wondering why they probably went with blue, so cyanosis causes bluish skin because there's a lack of oxygen saturation near the skin surface. So yes, this happens to dead people, but it can also happen to living people with methemoglobinemia, and I just thought that was an interesting fact that you guys might find pretty cool. So yes, mummies probably would have bluish purple tinted skin. And I'm sure you could probably see that in what are existing mummies. So accessory color, I have white for the belt. The eye mask is covered by the actual mask, so it doesn't matter. Then we have the glowing turquoise eyes, which matches the wraith skin. Then we have the color tint of baby blue, again to have that skin color match. And then hair tint is white, but that doesn't matter. And then, of course, for a mummy, we gotta have the TP sticker. And then, for the back bling, I'm not exactly sure. I have the banner cape, obviously, but I'm not sure exactly how to describe this other than like a hashtag pattern. I thought that kind of went with the crossing over of the wrapping for toilet paper. I thought that made some sense. There aren't a lot of great ones for this, but obviously white banner cape and hashtag looking icon. So I thought the Scorcher pickaxe went pretty well with this since it has the wrapping around it and it's white. So I thought I believe this is the lockstep glider. Since it has the banners on it, I thought that just like Egyptian kind of went pretty well. And obviously contrary, you have to go with TP. A quick warning though for those of you that have never used this contrail, but you might have it. It can be kind of distracting to see where you're going, but if you're really going for dedication here, I don't see why not. And obviously the race wrap, which I've talked enough about. I honestly haven't changed the emotes pretty much since the last time, because again, it's pretty much the same. So we have T-pose, Stormy, Howl, Get Loose, Slytherin. The only one I changed is Rolly to Waddle Away, because I feel like this is the only time where this emote might actually make sense, other than for like the Chomp Senior skin or any other fish skin. So, you know, because he's wrapped up, it'd be hard to move. In fact, we did this thing in our school one time where we actually covered ourselves in toilet paper, and trust me, this is how you walk when you're wrapped up in toilet paper. So we have Eerie and Midas' Revenge again. Not all that much has changed from the zombie skin, but I just wanted to give you guys something to maybe work with the race wrap if you want to get it for free. Again, link to Kevinsmak in the eye icon for the video. Also, I'd like to say, you guys probably noticed the name is Smack Doodly now. So the reason for that is apparently Kevinsmak is holding a not necessarily a tournament, but a way to become part of the Smack team. And I figured I might as well give it a try because it seemed interesting enough, and I'm not really doing all that much else in Fortnite, so hopefully I get onto the silver team, let alone whatever the gold team is, which I think is his main team. I'll try to leave a link to that video too if you guys are interested in becoming part of a Fortnite team. Right now it's for fun and there's no monetary compensation, so there might be in the future though, so hold on to that idea if you're looking for a way to get paid to play Fortnite. But yeah, it should be interesting. Kevinsmak's a pretty cool guy, and he makes some good content, so feel free to subscribe to his channel as well. So it's enough talking for one video. If you guys enjoyed the costume or the free wrap that I left the link to, make sure to leave a link, or oh god, I left a link. You guys leave a like if you enjoyed. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell if you look forward to seeing more videos like this, and I think that's enough for this video. So thank you guys so much for watching, and have a good day.